In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem AliExpress coins. If you've been collecting coins in the app and want to turn them into real savings, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. First, open the AliExpress app. Coins work best in the app and they're tied to your account, so make sure you're signed in before you do anything else. If you're not logged in, your coin balance won't show up and you won't be able to apply them at checkout. Next, head to the coins page. You can get there a few different ways. Tap account, then coins. Or type coins into the app search bar and open the coins section from the results. You might also see a coins banner on the home page. Tapping that takes you to the same place. Once you're on the coins page, you'll see your total coin balance clearly displayed. This is a helpful spot to keep an eye on how many coins you have available before you start shopping. Now find items that are eligible for coin discounts. Coins can't be used on every product, so look for clear indicators such as coins discount up to XX% off with coins, or a little coin icon next to the price. Great places to spot these offers include the coins page deals, flash sales, super deals, and individual product pages that show coin labels. If you don't see any of those labels, that product likely doesn't accept coins. When you're ready to purchase a coin eligible item, use the Buy Now button. This is important because coins usually apply when you choose Buy Now rather than Add to Cart. Open the product, tap Buy Now, select the variation you want, like size, color, or bundle, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, your coins are applied automatically if the item supports them. You'll see a line that says coins discount, along with the amount deducted from your total. There's no manual slider or input box for coins here. The app calculates and redeems them for you behind the scenes. If you don't see a coins line, the item likely isn't eligible, or you may have come from the cart instead of Buy Now. Finally, review your final price, choose your payment method, and tap Pay Now. That's it. Your coins have been successfully redeemed and you've locked in your savings. Keep repeating this process whenever you see coin labels on products, and always start from the coins page if you want the easiest path to coin eligible deals. Happy saving and smart shopping!